Welcome to season 2 of The Assignment. We are back bigger and better than ever. Hosted by design expert Gene Alert, each episode takes you to the streets of New York where Gene works his magic to transform every corner of a client's property. Get ready for the jaw-dropping transformations.
Oh my gosh!
Unexpected twists.
I'm literally pulling off tile off the wall.
And the thrill of seeing a place come to life, all
Today,
in The
I have a
Assignment.
special guest. This is my son. Get it right the first time. People, get it right the first time. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Assignment. Here we are in not Canarsie, not Bed-Stuy, not Mill Basin, but the heart of it, Crown Heights, Brooklyn. And look, this property, we're gonna show you the before, and I can't wait to see if I understood this assignment. Today, we're bringing in a special guest. Her name is Dion. She's from NHS. She's a property manager, project manager. So the stakes are a little high here, right? Because we do work with them. So listen, I wanna see if I understood their assignment on this one.
Hey guys, I'm Dion and I'm from NHS Brooklyn, and Gene is one of our favorite contractors. He sent me this bathroom and it was so horrific that I had to come see it myself. So let's see if Gene understood the assignment. Oh my God. What is this, not technological toilet? That is amazing. Look at this. Gene. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, wait. Is that heated floors? My feet are warm, y'all. My feet are warm. This is amazing. I mean, he has a good way of like utilizing the space, you know? It's like so nice, and it actually complements the home. It fits into the energy of the home. I think that's also important, but wow. Oh my gosh, look at this tub. You think I can get in it? No, I can't do that. It's so beautiful. The finishes and everything just kind of like matches. You see the marble, like the tone in the marble matches the hardware. I mean, that takes a special eye just to make everything come together. This is so beautiful. And look at this. Oh, it's like a floating sink, right? And soft clothes, every girl's dream. I love that. Oh my gosh, and the lighting too is amazing. Wow, I love this mirror. I'm like, what do these things do? It's got like these interesting little buttons. I'm thinking it's a smart mirror. Gene's supposed to be meeting here. I have questions. Gene, is he here yet?
So Dion's supposed to be inside already. So let's see if I got it. I'm gonna walk in, I'm gonna meet her, and we're gonna see if I understood the assignment. Let's go.
Gene, what's up? You did such a good job, Gene. I love this. This is so good. I mean, this is a sexy bathroom.
Oh, thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
I have questions, you know, because I'm a property manager, project manager, construction manager.
Yep.
I got questions, right?
Yes.
So what does this do?
Okay. So
This is amazing.
This actually is like a defogger mirror type of thing.
You mean I don't have to use my washcloth
have to
anymore
use
to
your
like wipe it
washcloth.
down?
Nope.
Paper towel?
So when it fogs up,
Yeah.
this right here, make sure that your mirror is not fogged up when
You come out and you're trying to do your hair.
And then,
right.
if you want different temperatures.
Ooh.
Yes.
That's a good selfie right there.
Yes,
Amazing. I like that.
You see? And then you can dim it.
Ooh, I like that. Especially when you're taking a bath and you want a certain type of lighting in there.
Especially with the cast iron.
Cast iron tub. I love a good cast iron tub. Look at that coffee.
Yes.
This is beautiful. And I love the finishes you did, by the way.
Thank you.
This just warms up like the whole thing. It brings it all together. And I'm thinking this is marble, right? And what cuts did you use?
This is actually porcelain. We went with this large format tile, 24 by 48.
Okay.
It gives it that marble look.
Yeah.
Right? without
Yeah.
that marble money.
Yes,
right?
I like that. That's smart, right?
We put a niche here
Uh-huh.
so that while she's taking a bath, the client's taking a bath, they can put like their soaps or whatever they want to put up here.
Of course.
And we also put
I see that you can charge.
you can charge.
All right. Gene, now I want to talk about this toilet. I may have to rent this bathroom, seriously. If you tell me more about what this thing does, because it looks like it does everything. All I had to do is just come in here.
Absolutely, you're right. You don't have to touch anything, right? So this is a Woodbridge smart toilet, right?
Wow.
You literally just have to put your feet up, pass your feet through your foot, and it opens, it closes, it has a bidet, it comes with a remote, it flushes by itself.
Is it heated?
It is heated.
Oh,
heated seats.
yes.
Heated seats in the bathroom.
Heated seats.
Most people don't got heated seats in their car, let alone their bathroom.
Right. So,
And then did you notice that it's heated floors as well?
I felt that.
Yes.
I felt that. But I was just like, listen, this
So this is the
toilet.
controller right here.
Wow, this is amazing. And I love how you fit everything in this space so perfectly,
Yeah.
honestly.
Totally different from the yellow bathroom, right?
Oh, y'all should have seen the yellow. He's gonna show you the yellow. He's probably
Yeah,
gonna run
yeah.
it back right about now and
Yeah.
show you what the yellow was.
What
And
about
that,
the shower?
that glass alone is everything. Tell
Yes.
me what's on the floor. Tell me everything.
So this is a custom 1/2-inch black glass, right? We went with this. It's solid, like it's so hard to.
I felt that when I opened it.
It has
Yeah.
force,
Yeah.
right? The suction to keep the water in. We went with a pebble floor,
Yeah.
right, to give it more of like you're in
A
earth,
spa
like a
feel.
spa feel.
Yes.
And we went with a Delta shower body, and here you could actually raise this up.
Ah, the adjustable
You can
heights.
adjust it.
Love
Yeah, you
that.
can adjust
Love
it.
that. For you and a mister, right? The taller folks.
The taller folks. Now watch this, Dion.
Oh gosh, what is this? Show me.
Alexa, put volume at 5.
Oh, what? oh, I love that. So you have a smart Alexa in the ceiling. Wow, that's hot. Now, can it play some calypso music?
Oh yeah,
It's
yeah.
Labor Day.
Yeah. So Alexa, play some Kes.
Shuffling Kes and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Wow. Oh, what?
Yeah.
We say. Yes! I'm renting this bathroom. I'm renting this bathroom. You think they'll let me come? They're gonna let me come?
I'll try to make the deal happen. I'll try to make it work.
Oh, this is so good. I love this. Guys, you all need Gene in your house. You need Gene in your house.
Thank you.
Yes, this is an experience. Not just a bathroom.
Yes.
An experience.
An experience.
You understood the assignment.
That's why,
yes.
thank you. Alexa, put volume at 3. So, like, that's why I tell clients, like, when you work, they always ask me,
Right.
what's the difference between you and other contractors?
Right.
And I'm definitely not the cheapest person.
Right.
But at the same time, I'm not the most expensive.
Right.
But what I believe in
Right.
is providing luxury to everyone.
That's right.
No matter who you are,
We all deserve it.
we all deserve a little bit
Yes.
of luxury.
Yes.
And imagine, we live in New York. We have to deal with all the things that we deal with outside. Imagine coming home to this.
Yes.
You get to recharge.
All
you get
the worries go away.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, yes.
Oh my
all
gosh.
the worries go away when
Yes.
you're soaking in this bathroom,
Right.
when you're taking a shower, when you're using the
toilet.
toilet,
Ugh.
even when you're brushing your teeth.
Using
Like
the sink.
every
Yes.
part of this bathroom
Is an
Is
experience.
an experience.
That's right.
And that's why I love it, you know, and I'm so happy that the client loves it. But I have a question for you.
Yes.
Did I understand the assignment?
Gene, you not only understood the assignment, you rocked this bathroom out. Good job. I love it. I can't wait to do more stuff with you.
Thank you.
Our clients love you, and I'm sure your clients love you too. So this is amazing. My house next.
Yes, let's go.
So, Gene, how long something like this takes?
Well, since you're a property manager, contractor manager, like, you know, project manager, all that stuff, I'm gonna ask you that. What do you think? You see what we did here, full gut, right? Reconfigure everything. Like, what do you think?
In my experience, probably 2 to 3 months.
The ACA way, 1 month.
Wow, that's listen. Anybody would just want one month of disruption. That's it, and you're back to your life. I love that. That's a great timeline.
Yeah,
It really is.
Our normal bathrooms take about a week and a half to do.
Wow.
But this one took a little longer because this tub had to
Sourcing.
get shipped.
Uh-huh.
So this took 3 weeks to come.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Right.
Gotcha.
Tiles, the toilet took
Yeah.
2 weeks. Like just different. The shower glass, this glass had to be fabricated.
Yeah.
So this took 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So we had to do everything, but you have to put the tile first.
Yes.
For them to come.
Right,
take
to
the
put that
measurement.
in. Right,
So-
right. But you managed this perfectly
thank
because
you.
everything went in around the same time to still keep you in a good timeline.
Yes.
So that's excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we put dimmers. Client can control the
Yeah.
lights
Yes.
from her phone,
Oh.
right? Or Alexa can control this,
Yeah.
right? And
Wow.
it's pretty cool. And then the vent it vents out, but it also has the fan and it has lights.
Wow.
You
An
know?
all-in-one.
All in one.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Love it.
yeah.
Love it.
Well, thank you so much.
All right, Gene.
Appreciate you.
More to come.
More to come.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Awesome.